How to fix Epic Game login problem. So guys, follow me my step and solve your Epic Game login problem. So guys, first step, open your phone setting and search bar option, click now and search now apps and tap now manage apps option. So guys, tap now and search bar option, click now and search Chrome application. So guys, search now Chrome application and tap clear data option, clear cache option, click now, OK option, click now, go to back and search now Google. So guys, search now Google. So guys, tap now Google option and tap clear data option and tap clear cache option, click now OK option and go to back, open your app store and play store app. So guys, search now Google, search now Google, update your Google app and back, update your Google Chrome application and go to back, open your browser and Chrome application. So guys, open now and search now Epic Game Store. So guys, click now and wait. So guys, enter now your right Gmail and right Gmail, enter now and continue option, click now, enter your Gmail right password and solve your Epic Game login problem.